So, you've been learning to code or working in tech, and now you're ready for the next step. But here's the big question. How do you actually get real-world experience that makes a difference? Not just another tutorial project, but something that impacts millions of people. Here's the answer: open source. Open source is where real software is born and shaped by developers like you. From tools that run behind the scenes of the biggest websites in the world, to frameworks that help build apps, and even operating systems. The best part? You can contribute, right now, for free. In this video, we're diving into 10 open source projects that are not only impactful but incredibly welcoming to new contributors. These are projects with strong communities, real-world use, and issues that are perfect for beginners and veterans alike. Let's jump into the open source world and find your next adventure in coding. Why open source contributions matter? Before we go project by project, let's talk quickly about why contributing to open source is such a big deal. First, it's real experience. Unlike coding in isolation or in tutorial land, open source projects are collaborative, evolving, and often used by thousands or even millions of people. When you make a contribution, it lives in the wild. You get peer reviews, learn industry standards, and grow your problem-solving muscles. Second, it's great for your resume and portfolio. Hiring managers love to see contributions to projects. It shows initiative, teamwork, and coding ability. And third, it's a way to give back. Open source tools have powered your education, your apps, and your operating systems. This is your chance to give something back and join a global network of developers changing the world. Now let's talk about 10 impressive open source projects that are not only technically fascinating, but actively welcoming to contributors like you. 1. Mozilla Firefox. Yes, the Firefox browser is open source, and the Mozilla Foundation actively welcomes contributors. This isn't just about making a web browser. Mozilla works on privacy-focused tools, developer utilities, mobile apps, and accessibility improvements. Their open source ethos runs deep. Whether you're into front-end development, Rust-based systems code, documentation, or even localization, Firefox has a place for you. Their GitHub is well organized, and they even label beginner-friendly issues. You won't be thrown into the deep end without support. If you've ever wanted to say, "I helped improve a browser used by millions," here's your chance. 2. VS Code, Microsoft's open source power tool. Visual Studio Code is the most popular code editor in the world, and guess what? It's open source. Backed by Microsoft, the VS Code repo on GitHub is one of the most active, well-documented, and welcoming places for developers to contribute. They label good first issues, and there's an active Discord and issue tree system to guide newcomers. Whether you want to work on extensions, improve UI, fix bugs, or even contribute to core features, there's room for developers at every level. Plus, you'll be contributing to the editor that probably taught you how to code in the first place. 3. FreeCodeCamp. If you've learned coding online, chances are you've come across FreeCodeCamp. What you may not know is that it's entirely open source, and it's powered by volunteers around the globe. FreeCodeCamp isn't just a website. It's a massive ecosystem of learning tools, certifications, and even a news platform. Every single lesson, challenge, and interface you interact with is built and maintained by contributors like you. They have a very supportive contributor community, and their GitHub is full of first-timer-friendly issues. If you're passionate about making coding education free and accessible, this is your home base. 4. Home Assistant. Smart homes are on the rise, and Home Assistant is one of the most popular platforms for home automation. What makes this project so special is its scale and flexibility. It allows users to control all of their smart devices from one place, without needing cloud services that spy on your data. It's written in Python, and it's highly modular. That means even if you're a beginner, you can contribute by creating or improving integrations for devices you own. Add your smart light bulbs, your thermostat, or your robot vacuum. Plus, the Home Assistant community is incredibly vibrant, sharing ideas, configurations, and helping each other grow. 5. Mattermost. Mattermost is an open-source alternative to Slack, designed for enterprises that care about security and self-hosting. If you've ever used Slack at work and thought, how does this even work? Mattermost will open your eyes. It combines front-end, back-end APIs and mobile development into a single fascinating project. They use React and Redux on the front end, Go on the back end, and have mobile apps written in React Native. So whether you're a front-end dev, a back-end hacker, or love mobile, you can find your corner. Their documentation is thorough, and their team labels beginner-friendly issues. If you're looking to learn real-world software engineering and enterprise collaboration, this is it. 6. AppWrite. AppWrite is a self-hosted backend-as-a-service platform for developers who want to build web and mobile apps without managing infrastructure. It's like Firebase, but open source. This is a perfect project for devs interested in APS, databases, user authentication, file storage, and more. It's written primarily in TypeScript and Docker. AppWrite's team puts a lot of energy into supporting contributors. Their GitHub is full of well-labeled issues, and they actively run contribution challenges to welcome new devs. If you want to be at the intersection of DevOps, APS, and modern full-stack development, AppWrite is calling. 7. Telescope, built by students for students. Telescope is a unique one. It's a project run by students at Seneca College, and it's built specifically to help new developers get open source experience. It's a platform that aggregates tech blogs from across the web and turns them into a curated, searchable feed. The cool part, it's modular and built with modern tools, Node.js, Docker, Redis, Elasticsearch, React, and more. And they encourage students from around the world to jump in and contribute. If you're intimidated by big corporate repos, this is a great stepping stone, and you'll still work with real tools used in production. 8. DuckDuckGo. Everyone's heard of DuckDuckGo, the privacy-focused search engine that doesn't track you. But did you know they open source many of their browser tools and extensions? They've got projects like their Privacy Essentials browser extension, mobile apps, and even tools for blocking trackers and upgrading security. It's perfect for devs interested in cybersecurity, privacy, JavaScript, and browser APIs. Their codebase is modern, and they offer detailed contribution guides. If you care about building a better, less invasive internet, contributing here is both impactful and ethical. 9. Public Lab. Public Lab builds open source tools for environmental exploration and research. That's right. You can help scientists and environmentalists collect and analyze data using open tech. Their projects range from image analysis tools to hardware kits to JavaScript libraries that power real-world research. The code is beginner-friendly, the community is helpful, and you don't need to be a scientist to get involved. If you've been looking for a project with real-world social impact, Public Lab is one of the best-kept secrets on GitHub. 10. Godot Engine. Love game development? Skip Unity and Unreal for a moment and look into Godot. Godot is an open-source 2D and 3D game engine that's growing fast, and it's entirely community-driven. From visual scripting to C++ to GDScript, there's a wide range of opportunities to contribute. What's exciting here is that Godot is used by indie devs all over the world. By contributing, you're directly helping game creators build better, more creative worlds. And yes, Godot has a very active, welcoming community with forums, chats, and a solid developer doc to help you contribute without feeling overwhelmed. Getting started with your first contribution, so you've got the list. Now what? Step 1. Pick one project, just one. Don't overwhelm yourself. Step 2. Go to their GitHub repo, check the Issues tab, and look for labels like Good First Issue, Help Wanted, or Beginner Friendly. Step 3. Read the contribution guidelines, ask questions if needed, and dive in. You don't need to solve major bugs right away. Fix typos in docs, improve accessibility, write tests. These small contributions build your confidence and earn you recognition. And the open source world is generous. you'll find mentors, peers, and collaborators you never expected. You now know where to start. These 10 projects are active, respected, and waiting for your unique contribution. Remember, the code powering some of the world's biggest tools didn't come from massive corporations alone. It came from volunteers, from students, from learners, just like you, who decided to contribute. So don't just be a user, be a builder. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep tech dives, and let us know in the comments which project you're thinking of contributing to. Now close those tutorials and open up GitHub. This is where your real journey begins.